Aside from plastics, one of the most common materials used for packaging are metal cans. The Vatan Makina automatic can body machine is capable of producing 40 of these metal cans in just 1 minute. To do this, print work should first be accomplished using a metal sheet. Then, both ends of the sheet will be welded to form a round cylindrical shape. Managing this operation is really hassle-free since the machine has an auto-view technology that helps in detecting whether the connection lines when welding the cans are still in order. It also has a servo motor that positions these cans precisely to the expanding spindle. Once shaping is done, each can will be moved to the double-squeeze flanging machine so that the end and top flange of the bodies are achieved. The final step would be to transport them to the bottom seamer so all can bodies are upside down and ready to move on to the collecting table. Up next is the Walter Hasenkamper GmbH production of heavy bolts and high-strength nuts. Before everything else, each piece needs to go through strict cleaning and cutting lines. From here, they will be heated and pressed by heavy machines. This is done to ensure that the desired shape is achieved. Then, they are crafted into the required rings. However, their journey does not stop here. Before they are released or finalized, each piece is tested for their strength. This step is very essential, since these bolts and nuts are used in construction sites where extreme strength is needed. A while ago we mentioned the production of canned bodies. Now let's talk about a welding machine that is used in that particular process. This is the Wanrox 306, a machine that can produce large amounts of food and oil containers. Since the demand for can containers is getting higher every day, it's important that the machine you use can keep up with it. The Wanrox 306 is capable of manufacturing 350 cans in just 1 minute. Plus, you can also program this machine's speed and can size according to what you need. This does not only increase the factory's efficiency by 100-fold, but also guarantees their return of investment in no time. Operating it does not cause problems too, since it was designed to have many sensors that hold and shift each can from one stage of manufacturing to another. Next, we have the Tornafuso, known for manufacturing one of the best spindles in the market. Using this machine, you're guaranteed to produce high-quality spindles even with its varying diameters, steps, and lengths based on what is stated in the drawing or sample for segments or lifting. This machine is capable of covering any directional movements and is compatible with a lot of attachments and machine tools. You'd be surprised to know that Tornafuso can even craft more segment rings so that higher quality production is achieved. Aside from that, they make sure to use SAE 1020 and 1045 materials for exceptional grounding and polishing, as well as to provide very durable spindles. Speaking of welding machines, we have the RCM double-axle friction welding machine from Jiangsu Risheng Machinery. This is a machine designed with comprehensive modeling features and unique double-bed structure that provides more operation space for the operators. This impressive machine also has a brand new axle housing clamping that works with its positioning device so that precision and accuracy is maintained all throughout the welding process. Welding also needs stable drive power output, which is what the high-quality hydraulic drive system monitors. When talking about monitoring, it's also important to note that this machine also has a comprehensive monitoring system where operators can keep and monitor records of the welding data. Known to be a fast vertical band sawmill, the Mibor sawmill also boasts its tilted long carriage that allows shock-free reception of saw bands. Surely, this is made for high-capacity and quality-oriented sawing of both soft and hardwood logs. This machine has successfully combined the speed, energy efficiency, and high wood recovery of wood needed for the task. On top of that, operators can configure it either in single or double-side cutting depending on what the operation needs. Next is the Tesker MFG Model 742, which is a thread roller that can roll up to 12-inch diameter parts with the help of its 340,000 pounds of rolling force. Even though it's originally built to withstand heavy-duty work, this machine does not require a lot of costs. It has a servo drive that maintains the accuracy and independent spindle drive access control. Cable cars, bridges, and even heavy-duty cranes are incomplete without ropeways. This is why the Fastener AG has been manufacturing the best ropes in the market. To make sure of the quality it releases, each tensile strength of the wires are measured and tested. If they pass the standards, the wires will be installed on a stranding machine that draws the cables on a twisting head. To further secure the strands of rope, it's sprayed with grease and processed through a ropeway cage that rotates and ties the different strands together. If the desired diameter and strength is reached, the ropes will be tested again. Last but not least is the PVC pipes from AMUT Group. These are produced through extrusion of raw materials. An extrusion line from the AMUT Group is used for manufacturing 500 millimeters in diameter high-quality pipes. However, they are not only limited to that, for different diameter values can also be set depending on the needs of the operation. The process starts with the raw materials getting fed into the twin-screw extruder. Then, it's heated and melted so that the yield can be extruded. The product of this step will now be used to shape a pipe. Lastly, the lines created are individually cooled and cut to the required length.
Moving forward, we encounter the versatile Weimar shredding and briquetting machine, a dynamic force in the recycling arena. Fueled by a potent engine, this mighty machine combines the functionalities of shredding and briquetting, transforming waste into compact, eco-friendly briquettes. Its innovative design allows for the efficient processing of various materials, from plastics to wood, offering a holistic solution to waste reduction. Weimar shredding and briquetting is special because it can handle both shredding and briquetting requirements with one integrated system. This efficient method produces useful briquettes that are used in a variety of businesses while lowering the amount of waste produced. By converting garbage into useful resources, this machine plays a significant role in supporting circular economy principles. Although environmental concerns are of utmost importance, Weimar shredding and briquetting's efficiency, adaptability, and resource recovery capabilities make it a disruptive force in the recycling industry. Let's explore the technological capabilities of Jording Machinery Co. Ltd., a prominent player in the recycling industry. This equipment, which is powered by a powerful engine, is designed to precisely granulate plastics, reducing them into small enough pieces for recycling. Modern design guarantees effective material processing, which helps to reduce plastic waste in an environmentally friendly way. Jording Machinery Co. Ltd. is special because of its ability to precisely granulate plastics, which makes it possible to recycle different types of plastics with unmatched effectiveness. Next on our journey is eco-green equipment, a revolutionary force in tire recycling technology. Powered by a robust engine, this machine specializes in processing and recycling used tires, transforming them into valuable materials. The innovative design of eco-green equipment ensures efficient tire shredding and granulation, contributing to the sustainable management of tire waste. The uniqueness of eco-green equipment lies in its dedication to addressing the environmental challenges posed by discarded tires. Its significance extends to its role in turning used tires into recycled rubber, which can find applications in various industries. The efficiency gains brought about by eco-green equipment contribute to reducing the environmental impact of tire waste and provide valuable resources for manufacturing processes.
Real good.
Embarking on the next chapter of our exploration, we encounter Norsk Hydro, a formidable player in aluminum recycling. Fueled by a potent engine, this mighty machine specializes in the processing and recycling of aluminum scrap, contributing to the sustainable management of this valuable metal. The innovative design ensures efficient sorting and processing, maximizing the recovery of aluminum from various sources. The uniqueness of Norsk Hydro lies in its dedicated focus on aluminum recycling, addressing the increasing demand for sustainable metal sourcing. Its significance extends to its role in reducing the environmental impact of aluminum production by utilizing recycled materials. The efficiency gains by Norsk Hydro not only streamline the aluminum recycling process, but also contribute to resource conservation and energy savings.
Utilizing a double-action Repcon hydraulic deep drawing press, the company shapes round blanks, or coil material, into cylinder halves. Once the edges have been degreased, Repcon trimming and joggling equipment are used to prepare them for body seam welding. Body halves and valve boss welding are done using the submerged arc welding process, and unwavering weld quality is guaranteed by welding automations equipped with dependable power packs and control units. Foot rings and valve guard rings are welded using the MIG-MAG process. Before cooling, cylinders are placed in a heat treatment furnace set at 930 degrees Celsius. Shot blasting is done on surfaces before painting or zinc spraying, and pneumatic leak testing equipment is used to check for leaks after the vessels are linked using torque-controlled screwing machines. Known for producing high-pressure gas cylinders for use in the oil and gas, chemical, and healthcare industries, Zhangshan Steel Cylinder is a well-known Chinese producer. To make sure that its products fulfill international safety standards, the company uses cutting-edge technology and places a high priority on quality control. The cylinders are manufactured using state-of-the-art equipment and techniques, including cutting-edge welding technologies and precision machining processes. The company uses cutting-edge tools and processes, employs skilled engineers, and uses premium steel materials. To prevent corrosion and improve their appearance, the cylinders go through finishing procedures, including painting and coating after they are manufactured. Gas is a top supplier of premium high-pressure gas cylinders for a range of sectors, such as aviation, oil and gas, and healthcare. The business employs cutting-edge production processes to guarantee that its goods fulfill safety regulations and offer the best possible performance. A strict procedure is used in the production of ENA gas, high-pressure gas cylinders, to guarantee both quality and safety. Design and material selection, which are determined by variables like pressure rating, volume, and intended application, are the first steps in the process. The materials chosen, including alloys of steel or aluminum, follow industry guidelines. Valve, regulator, and fitting components are manufactured individually and then combined into the cylinder body. Accurate dimensions and tolerances are achieved via a variety of machining techniques. With the use of a specialist machinery, the cylinder body is produced to ensure minimum porosity and maximum strength. Further machining processes are carried out to smooth out surface flaws and get it ready for final assembly once it's been manufactured. Now, let us move to turnkey LPG cylinder. They use the Rock Technic for their machinery design and production. This is also their secret in manufacturing one of the most known LPG cylinder production lines. Rock Technic is producing all kinds of LPG production line machinery with the intention of being efficient. They make sure that they use state-of-the-art machinery, from the shaping of the raw materials, welding, down to the testing of the LPG cylinder. Material selection, design and tooling, sheet metal forming, pressure testing, final inspection, and packing are some of the phases in the Sanker LPG cylinder production process. Typically, the cylinder's neck is constructed of stainless steel or brass, while the body is made of aluminum or steel. After that, the design is made with computer-aided design, CAD software, taking into account extra features like valves or fittings, as well as variables like volume and wall thickness. The body and neck of the cylinder are formed by bending, shaping, flanging, beading, and welding sheet metal that is cut from big rolls using a shear machine. Adequate alignment and welding necessitate meticulous attention to detail. Before the completed cylinders are packaged and sent to consumers, risk testing is done. This entails assessing the integrity of the cylinder, detecting internal pressure, and looking for leaks. If any problematic cylinders are discovered, they are fixed or replaced prior to undergoing another test. One of the top producers of high-pressure gas cylinders, LPG, is Getweld Co., Ltd. Decoiling, leveling, and circle blanking are steps in the manufacturing process that result in circles that are deep drawn to form halves. After that, the halves are prepared for welding by being necked, polished, trimmed, and punched. Subsequently, the cylinders undergo circumferential welding, an essential process for ensuring the quality of the C-welding seam. The cylinders next undergo surface treatment, shot blasting, zinc spraying, heat treatment, and furnace stress alleviation. There's also the option of electrostatic painting. The cylinder is tested in water to ensure airtightness following drying and valve installation. The cylinder can be used to sell associated company information if the tightness is deemed satisfactory. High-pressure gas cylinder manufacturing technology is used in the production of Saraga LPG cylinders to provide optimal durability and safety. A hydraulic press or blow molding machine is used to make the cylinder body, which is then cut and deburred to remove defects. The neck is machined to fit the valve and other fittings after it's created independently and welded to the body. After installing the valve on the neck, the regulator and additional accessories are fitted. Before assembly, the valve is checked for leaks in operation. Finally, all components are assembled together and the cylinder is pressure tested to meet safety standards. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring the world of construction machinery.